put the head on upside down. All right, hello everybody. Today we are going to be racing.
I exist.
We're both going to be building this Lego Creator 3-in-1.
Yeah.
All right, you mark, get set, go.
I destroyed it. No.
My stuff over here. All right.
Oh, my things went everywhere.
Hey, don't steal stuff from me.
No, it went over there. I'm pretty sure it didn't.
Well, if I need a piece, I know where I'm going to have to steal it from.
Then I'll steal from you too.
All right, where is it? And I'll not have my glasses on just to make it easier for you.
Oh, how wondrous!
That'll be my handicap for you.
Oh, that's so sweet. How sweet of you.
I'm racing against a guinea pig.
My heart is already racing.
What's your heart racing?
Because I'm not good with competitions. Did I already lose a thing? I have no idea.
I don't think so.
I still have something here. Oh yeah, I do.
Can't blame that on me.
Well, I might have lost some things, and it might have gone into your stash.
Maybe.
Possibly. I can't tell. Oh, there it is. Never mind. I was just colorblind. No, I'm not. Wait, hold on. I don't know. That's wrong. No, that's wrong. Dang it.
Where's the other thing? Did you steal it from me? Oh, there it is.
I didn't. I think I might be missing a piece, actually. Are those?
Missing a piece.
Yeah, because there's that piece that you like. Where's your build?
What?
So I can't find that piece.
What piece?
This one.
It's right there.
Oh no, that's the wrong piece. See, it's the wrong color. I highly doubt it fell though.
You can't have a race if you don't.
We can't do it.
It's right here, Paige. It's in the bag still. Here, I'm helping you out. There you go. There you go.
Okay. But you got an extra head start because I couldn't find it.
I stopped to help you.
That is true.
I think that we're even.
Fair. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, dude, I didn't realize that's better. Well, I don't know what to talk about.
And we're focused on trying to.
Well, I've already kind of given up.
Well, don't give up.
Okay, not like I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I also keep like like flipperting or something. Finished?
No, we still have we still have the. I still have to do this.
Okay.
Not done yet. Try that. Oh, I'm almost done though.
I can tell.
I mean, I could try to let you win, but I think
That'd be cheating.
I think your nails are a disadvantage for you.
Also because I'm my physical strength isn't as good too.
I don't think physical strength has not to do with Lego.
You sure?
I'm pretty sure that your physical strength is not that much of a Lego thing. But those nails could make it hard for you to pick stuff up. I got through
They're
with
not that long.
Of course, you spent a while having to look for your piece, so that gave me an advantage.
I told you.
The next time we do this, maybe we have all the pieces
Maybe
out
we
already.
get ourselves our own bins and then we put them in the bins.
That could probably be a good idea for the next time. I also have a lot more experience.
Yeah. Where's the other piece? There it is. This is probably somewhere with me finishing it. And
Like that was so easy.
wait, what? I thought you were about
They
to...
can't turn their head down. They have a little food dish, but
I don't know what it's supposed to. Oh yeah, I should.
you didn't finish the head. You still have the head piece.
Oh, I
You
do.
have the back.
Maybe that's why. That was a not a smart move on my part. I finished the face, but I didn't finish the head.
And then you put the head on upside down. You need some help? I can help you.
Oh my gosh. The poor cat.
Here, let me help you. Let me help you.
You're gonna finish working on this
Okay,
now.
you finish that. I'll help you. There. Shut off. Put this back on for you.
That is hilarious.
Alright, so this was not as close as I expected it to be. Alright, thank you everybody. Here, try this again and I'll give you a head start. And you're gonna make okay. Bye. Wave bye.
Oh.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.